AMC stock amazing news. Hedgies just exposed themselves. AMC stock analysis. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss both analysis and price prediction of AMC stock. But before we start the video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated, through its subsidiaries, involved in the theatrical exhibition business. The company owns, operates, or has interests in theaters. As of March 12, 2021, it operated approximately 1,000 theaters and 10,700 screens in the United States and internationally. The company was founded in 1920 and is headquartered in Leawood, Kansas. AMC Entertainment closed the most recent trading day at $10.03, moving minus 1.67% from the previous trading session. This change lagged the S&P 500's daily loss of 0.72%. Prior to today's trading, shares of the movie theater operator had gained 8.97% over the past month. This has outpaced the consumer discretionary sector's gain of 1.84% and the S&P 500's gain of 6.13% in that time. Investors will be hoping for strength from AMC as it approaches its next earnings release, which is expected to be May 6, 2021. On that day, AMC is projected to report earnings of $1.15 per share, which would represent year-over-year growth of 48.2%. Meanwhile, the Zacks consensus estimate for revenue is projecting net sales of $153.03 million, down 83.75% from the year-ago period. Looking at the full year, our Zacks consensus estimates suggest analysts are expecting earnings of $2.79 per share and revenue of $2.47 billion. These totals would mark changes of plus 82.72% and plus 98.71%, respectively, from last year. It is also important to note the recent changes to analyst estimates for AMC. These revisions help to show the ever-changing nature of near-term business trends. As such, positive estimate revisions reflect analyst optimism about the company's business and profitability. Our research shows that these estimate changes are directly correlated with near-term stock prices. We developed the Zacks rank to capitalize on this phenomenon. Our system takes these estimate changes into account and delivers a clear, actionable rating model. The Zacks rank system, which ranges from number 1, strong buy, to number 5, strong sell, has an impressive outside audited track record of outperformance, with number 1 stocks generating an average annual return of plus 25% since 1988. Over the past month, the Zacks consensus EPS estimate has moved 3.62% lower. AMC currently has a Zacks rank of number 3, hold. The leisure and recreation services industry is part of the consumer discretionary sector. This industry currently has a Zacks industry rank of 167, which puts it in the bottom 35% of all 250-plus industries. The Zacks industry rank gauges the strength of our industry groups by measuring the average Zacks rank of the individual stocks within the groups. Our research shows that the top 50% rated industries outperform the bottom half by a factor of 2 to 1. Why is AMC stock growing again? Is it because of meme stock? Entertainment-based investors rejoiced earlier this week, as AMC theaters once again saw a decent, yet sudden, growth in the stock market. More specifically, it managed to rise 7.8% this Thursday alone. However, with the matter of meme stocks being such a trend during this pandemic, investors were still in doubt regarding AMC theaters' true potential for future growth. Was all of this just yet another temporal development? Or was this an actual indicator of AMC theaters finally overcoming all of its current adversities? What are meme stocks? For those unaware of what the term meme stocks encompasses, here's a summed-up version of the series of events that eventually led to the term being coined in the first place. In early 2021, GameStop was facing one of its lowest financial points ever. During that time, the popular video game retailer was even facing a massive risk of going bankrupt. However, once Reddit users became aware of this situation, they managed to organize themselves via the discussion website with a single purpose. Altogether, they were to massively buy GameStop stocks, as many as were needed to counter this reality. In due time, this alliance was capable of preventing GameStop's entire decline. Furthermore, it allowed GameStop to become one of 2021's fastest-growing stocks, as well as one of the year's most valued ones. For a while, at least. Once the whole ordeal was finally over, testimonies then indicated a variety of reasons regarding why doing all of it in the first place. While some openly admitted that their decision was purely based on nostalgic value alone, a significant percentage was just because. For its nature, this phenomenon ended up being known as meme stocks. Yet, it did not end there. Reddit's users then went on to successfully repeat this process time and time again, only now working with multiple companies at the same time. And AMC Theaters happened to be one of them. They even applied this process multiple times to this same company. In essence, that's where all the uncertainty regarding AMC's current rise originated from. To simply put it, people are incredibly hazy on whether it is a legit growth or another meme-based one. So, why did AMC Theaters rise this time? Surprisingly to some people, the company did manage to pull some growth out of its own merits this time. But how? It stands to reason to say that, as people were unable to attend due to the COVID-19 pandemic, AMC Theaters went through one of its lowest financial moments of all time. However, there's something that investors weren't considering this time before going straight to economic uncertainty. Nowadays, with vaccine rollouts getting higher and better every day, the country's situation is finally changing for the best. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, up to 40% of the population have already received at least one dose of a vaccine, and 26% have already received all the necessary doses. Also, 13 states no longer enforce mandatory use of a face mask when in public. With these numbers in mind, it is safe to assume that people are once again feeling comfortable enough to resume their pre-pandemic activities. Spending their leisure time in a movie theater is one of them. While several pandemic restraints are certainly still in effect, AMC Theaters is indeed performing better than initially expected. Right now, Godzilla vs. Kong is probably the best example of this, as it has managed to reach a total domestic box office of $80 million so far, with AMC's returning customers being critical players in the matter. Sadly, it's still too soon to give a proper judgment on whether AMC Theaters is a worthwhile investment opportunity or not. And with no appropriate reference to look into, nobody can honestly know where the company can go from here. Nevertheless, entertainment-based investors can now rest assured that its current growth is a proper one. Our recommendation, as things develop, do keep a close eye on the company. It still might become an excellent company to invest in, but only time will tell. Price prediction from 2021 to 2023. AMC Entertainment's forecast annual revenue growth rate of 86.72% is forecast to beat the U.S. entertainment industry's average forecast revenue growth rate of 15.85%, and it is also forecast to beat the U.S. market's average forecast revenue growth rate of 16.28%. AMC Entertainment's revenue in 2021 is $1,242,400,000. On average, 3 Wall Street analysts forecast AMC's revenue for 2021 to be $339,188,998,115, with the lowest AMC revenue forecast at $294,174,203,474, and the highest AMC revenue forecast at $386,393,028,083. On average, 3 Wall Street analysts forecast AMC's revenue for 2022 to be $689,342,034,079, with the lowest AMC revenue forecast at $643,484,602,293, and the highest AMC revenue forecast at $738,588,700,021. In 2023, AMC is forecast to generate $756,784,194,060 in revenue, with the lowest revenue forecast at $727,143,783,319 and the highest revenue forecast at $806,200,266,752. What is AMC's price target? According to 6 Wall Street analysts that have issued a one-year AMC price target, the average AMC price target is $5, with the highest AMC stock price forecast at $13 and the lowest AMC stock price forecast at $2. On average, Wall Street analysts predict that AMC Entertainment's share price could stay at $5 by April 5, 2022. The average AMC Entertainment stock price prediction forecasts a potential downside if not applicable from the current AMC share price of $10.03. So now the question is, AMC a good stock to buy in 2021? The consensus among 6 Wall Street analysts covering NYSE AMC stock is to hold AMC stock. Out of 6 analysts, 16.67%, are recommending AMC as a strong buy, 0% are recommending AMC as a buy, 66.67% are recommending AMC as a hold, 16.67% are recommending AMC as a sell, and 0% are recommending AMC as a strong sell. But let us know your opinion on AMC stock in the comment section. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then, goodbye.